Hello, I'm Rhonda Robinson with the Weave Genius Academy. I want to tell you about our exclusive weekly classes available in Florida and tour classes. So, are you ready to elevate your hairstyling skills? Join me in different cities in Florida and more, where you can bring your own live model or use a mannequin for hands-on learning. Choose from Flawless Lace Closure Sew-In, Install and Lace Front Wig Install class. The Enclosed Sew-In Install class. The Hair Fusion K-Tips Install class and Machine Ventilating classes. Microlink Braidless Sew-In Install class. Or the Microlink I-Tip Install class. Master these advanced techniques and take your craft to the next level. Live models are optional for some of the sessions. Visit weavegenius.com for details or call 904-414-3998 to reserve your spot today. Lace front wig making, hair ventilating machine, and hairpiece making also available. Learn more and view a date on the calendar to sign up now. We also offer Affirm, Afterpay, and Klarna financing. Apply today at weavegenius.com.